Is balance transfer a effective debt management tool? Hi, my name is Ka Hoe and I'm the founder of J Advisory. So today I'm back with a more of a question rather than a misconception, because recently I did a debt management workshop and this was one of the things that we covered. So what do you think? Is balance transfer a effective management tool to solve your debt problem or relieve your debt problem? Personally, I feel that balance transfer is not an effective debt management tool. Normally the tenure is so short, it can be like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, that you can hardly do anything other than just buying time, right? You don't effectively solve the problem. So imagine the amount of work you have to do in order to apply for a balance transfer. You know how that situation where the Chinese used to say you have 10 holes but you only have 9 covers. So there is not enough cover to cover the holes. Holes being the loans, right? So balance transfer is really the kind of analogy where effectively you're just trying to move that loan to somewhere else temporarily. You don't continue to manage your spending. Eventually you will have the 11th hole or the 12th hole, which then you'll be trying to manage and balance transfer more, right? Which doesn't really solve the problem, because eventually there comes the time where it needs to be repaid, but you do not have the funds to repay it for. So did you know also that recently in my one-to-one, I met somebody who shared with me there was a new product. Now balance transfer can do up to 36 months like maximum. That was like, wow, that's interesting, because during my time, not that I'm very old, balance transfer used to be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Maximum I think I've seen is 12 months. For it to be 36 months right now, I think really the situation is very bad, or either that banks have gotten more creative, maybe trying to earn more interest income from you. But again, 3 years is still a very short time to effectively manage everything. I guess that's one reason why I never applied for balance transfer, because it doesn't really solve the problem in the long run. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section if you've successfully used balance transfer to get out of your debt situation. I'll be happy to hear from you. Take care, guys.